In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Power BI Desktop and the Power BI service to an Azure SQL database. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to launch your Power BI Desktop. Once you're in, direct your attention to the Home ribbon, where you'll see the option to Get Data. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, navigate to Azure, and within that submenu, select Azure SQL Database. This will open up a dialog box on your screen, prompting you for some key details. Here, you'll need to enter the full server name of your Azure SQL Server. It's important to get the exact name. It usually ends with something like database.windows.net. There's also an optional field for database. Enter the name if you know it, or just leave it blank if you'd rather browse through all the available databases later. Next, you'll see options for data connectivity mode. You'll want to choose between import and direct query. If you go with import, the data will be loaded directly into Power BI, which might be useful if you're working offline or with a static dataset. On the other hand, direct query is an option if you need live data directly from Azure SQL. Choose the one that best fits your current need. Once you've made your selection, click OK. This will lead you to the authentication step. The method you choose here depends on your setup. Options typically include SQL authentication or Microsoft Entra ID. If you're opting for Azure AD or Entra ID, remember that you need to have appropriate permissions in place. Enter your credentials carefully, ensuring everything's correct, then click Connect. You have now reached the Navigator pane, where you'll see a list of tables and views available in your database. This is where you can select the specific tables or views you wish to work with in Power BI. Decide what you need and hit Load. If you prefer to tweak the data first, there's also an option to transform data, which gives you a chance to edit before loading. With everything set, you can now start building your report in Power BI. You have all the data at your fingertips, and it's time to visualize and analyze. Once your report is ready to share, you might want to publish it to the Power BI service. To do this, click on Publish, and then choose your desired workspace. Keep in mind, publishing to the service might mean you need to configure things like dataset refresh and gateways, especially if your data changes regularly. Don't forget to set your credentials as needed. If you decided on direct query earlier, remember that your dataset will query live to Azure SQL whenever users interact with it, ensuring they always see the most current data. And that's it. You've successfully connected Power BI Desktop to an Azure SQL database and published your insights to the Power BI service. Happy reporting!